here we go. The outhouse right here. I'll show you how to do your business in the outhouse at your Filipinas village, folks. All right, folks. Welcome to the outhouse. And you can poop in here. You can take a shower. You can do it. If you have a beautiful Filipina in the village, go stay with your Filipina in the village. Don't be a pussy. Let me just show you around. Take it around here and let's see the ventilation on this jewel. Let's walk around here. All right. Look at here, folks. Plenty of ventilation right here, right next to the chicken coop. Okay. And welcome to village life. All right, folks. You want to know how to take a dump at your Filipinas house in the village? All right, I'm gonna show you. Okay, this is the toilet. There's no flush on it. There's no toilet seat. Don't worry, trust me, you can shit in there. What you need is a bucket of water, a bar of soap, bring a towel. If you don't have a bucket, you can bring a couple bottles of water. And if you're shy about taking a shit in an outhouse or having an audience, maybe you need to stay at the fucking Hilton, okay? Man the fuck up. People have been shitting in the woods for goddamn 2 million years, okay? All you gotta do, step 1, prepare. Step 2, get naked. If you try to keep any of your clothes on and wash your ass, you're gonna get fucking wet. Just get naked, hang your shit right here. That's what I do. Okay, do your business. And then you use that water and that soap to wash your ass. It's that simple. And then you dry off. So basically you're taking a poop and then you're taking a shower. Okay? Any more questions? Off all my clothes, put them on these hooks right here, like this. I'm standing here butt ass naked. So what I do, I go to the well, I wash from here down and my legs, and I bring me a bucket of water to the outhouse. Do your business with a combination of soap, water, using your fucking hands, and wash your ass. And wash the cock and balls while you're in here. Put your clothes back on, folks. You're clean, okay? It's how you do it. It's too easy, all right? Don't try to take a shit and wash your ass with your clothes on. You're gonna fucking get piss, water, and shit everywhere. What you do, right here, on the nails, right here, all right? Okay? And I can't help you any further. I'm not gonna fucking film myself washing my asshole. Okay, you're a grown-ass man. You figure out how to wash your own fucking asshole. It's simple. Water, hand, soap, motherfuckers. Alright? And when you're done, put your shit back on. I'll show you in a second how to flush the toilet. Alright? Alright, folks, so I've already flushed this. Spare the graphic details, but that's all you do. Okay? Reach in this bucket. Put 2 or 3 in there. And that's it. You know what? It's a concrete floor. So by the time you get done, it should look like you took a shower in here. And it's a concrete floor. Don't worry about it. Open air, plenty of fresh air. And that's it. If anybody's got any questions on how to take a shit at your Filipinas house in the village, drop them in the comments below. And I think this is valuable information because so many people ask me this. It's funny. We Americans in the West, if there's not fucking a proper toilet and shit paper, we don't know what to do. So here's your block of instruction, people. All right, it's time to head on out. Fuck. I just made a video on how to take a shit. Whatever. All right, folks, here's a little outhouse. A little bit less private than the other one. And we're right here with the jungle. All right, folks, coming to you live. Block of instruction, day 2 from the outhouse. All right. So, I think this is the best process, right? Don't go down to the well as the foreign guy and try to bathe down there. People just look at you, laugh. I mean, who really cares? But you know, you got your shorts on. How do you wash your ass and your balls down by the well? You really can't. So the outhouse Get your 2 buckets, 2 5-gallon buckets. Come in here, do your business, wash your ass, and then take a shower. And then that way, when you leave the outhouse in the morning, well, I don't say the morning, I recommend you take a shower at about 10:30, 11 in the morning. You know, because now it's nice and warm. There's heat coming off this thing here, and the water is cold. There's no way I want to take a bath this morning with that cold water. So what I recommend is about 10 to 11, get your shower, and put some fresh clothes on. Get ready for another day in the village, folks. Thanks for watching. Okay. All right, people. When you're in the village, this is how you get water. All right, right there. You drop this thing down in there, you get the water. You come over here and drop it in a bucket like that. But we may try to solve this issue because, you know, being a foreign guy, you're always trying to figure out the solutions to problems. So, a little PVC pipe and a hand pump, we can solve this issue. I'll put some running water up the hill over there. All right, that's what you got to do. So just drop it down in here.
Hindi ko na yung kuan na. Asa? Kana.
That's it. You just try not to fall down in the well, bust your head. So this isn't good to do when you're drinking. If you have too many Red Horse, don't go to the well. So it rained yesterday. Everything's muddy as hell. What I've learned is that, you know, you spend a good portion of the time cleaning mud off of things. Just some little things like that you don't think about. It's just the environment, you know. It's like 2 very time-consuming things in the village is scraping mud off of things and carrying water from the well up the hill. A lot of time spent on those 2 things. Mud and water. And it's life. This village has been here for hundreds of years. Things haven't changed too much. Have electricity, but not running water. You go to the hill, have internet, still not running water. But you know what? No matter where you're at or what the conditions are, humans always seem to adapt. And I had a great time in the village, but it's time to move forward to the next little adventure. All right, again, good morning. Beautiful day here in my little village. Coming to you from the Philippines, folks. It's got muddy. Got muddy from yesterday's rain. It's okay, it's all good. Just got me a fresh shower. And girlfriend washed my shoes for me. And it's a good day. So mud is an issue in the village, I promise you.
Sangit talong.
It's a beautiful day here, folks. The sky, beautiful blue sky, beautiful day.